हाय गाइस, सो रतिका इज़ इन टाउन और ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि वो है और मैं उसको पकड़ूं नहीं और देखूं कि वो कितना ड्रिपिंग सीखी है मेरे से।
I think मुझे काफी अच्छे से आता है.
ओ वो तो आज हम देख लेंगे।
Okay, now I've really got it. अब आप बैठ जाओ. Thank
नहीं
you.
नहीं नहीं, मैं खड़ी हूँ, आप करो।
Okay.
हेलो। Sari should always start 2 inches from your navel. Didn't you hear it in all my videos? This one, not from here. Now just a logic to explain you and to explain everyone. अगर हम इस साड़ी को यहाँ से start करते हैं तो you've already lost one pleat and which is not required. So why waste when you can get more? So just 2 inches from your navel. This is more than enough. In fact, you can go lesser also.
Okay.
This.
Okay. ठीक है. अभी मैंने ये किया. अब the next thing I would do, not you would do, but I would do is कि मैं इसका पल्लू मेजर करूँगी. Okay.
आप मेरे वीडियोस कभी भी देखते हो? कभी भी देखा आपने मेरा वीडियो?
ये मेरा स्टाइल है.
ये आपका स्टाइल है?
Yes.
ये कैसा स्टाइल है जिसमें आधे डीकोड दिख रहा है यहाँ से?
अभी ठीक कर रही हूँ. So I'm just measuring that I need this much to be covered in my.
I don't know.
ठीक है. Okay. So अभी मैंने measure कर लिया and now I know it's this much. बहुत ही खराब हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. आपके वीडियोस मेरे को लगता है इसीलिए रील बन पाते हैं because you're fast. You're not fast. Okay. मेरे को think I'll need like a movie.
You mean 3 hours to do a sari? Please, Ratika.
Okay, should I should do one more, no? Because
But why do you need to do one more?
Because it's a lot of fabric and I'm skinny.
It's a lot of fabric and she's skinny, so she will do round and round.
Okay, I got it.
Ratika?
Please. Okay, sorry.
Oh my God, I can't believe you said this.
Okay.
Does your daughter also say something like this? Please excuse her or ask her to watch my videos.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm making the pleats, which I can totally do.
Great, nice.
Yay.
Not bad. You've practiced the throw and hold
No,
thing.
I did practice it, but it's just so much smoother when you do it.
I mean, I've been doing it more than 17 years, Ratika.
Yeah, I feel like you can do it in your sleep. You'll be like,
Okay, you do it. अभी सारी पट्टियाँ गिर जाएंगी.
okay. I think I've made enough. More than, probably. Not bad, no?
Not bad.
And now, that's it. We go round and round. Then we take the balloon. And it's...
Yoo-hoo! Swiping the floor with the sari.
Maybe, what if I wanted like a red carpet moment like Deepika? Okay, sorry. Bad joke. I will make more pleats.
Okay, now is the time where you need to see what I do. So what I basically do is, I start the sari 2 inches from your navel, correct? This is what you did. Then you have to get the sari पीछे से आगे. Wait, let me just push this. पीछे से आगे, easily. Don't pull and tuck this. Got this? And tuck it behind. Now you have to leave a handful of fabric, which is this. Okay? Now take this bag and start making your shoulder pleats in case you want it pleated.
Okay.
If you don't want it pleated also, you need to make some pleats and just throw it on your shoulder and measure. Done? Since you want to wear it open, I'm doing it open.
Longer.
Okay, this is enough. Okay. Now what you need to do is take this from here, and bring this down. So far you're good. Any confusion?
No, I'm just realizing all
What
these
you
things.
did. Okay, and now you start making your pleats. Your
Yeah.
pleats were really great. So I appreciate what you did. I'm just going to quickly make pleats. So it's zip, 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 zip. And I'm done.
It's bad enough that you're doing it so fast. Uske upar se you're like zip, 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 zip to show off. That's really mean, mom.
No, I will show off now. I am good at it. I will. And then I'm just going to hold all the pleats like this. And from here also. And do little dust, dust, dust. See, if I just dust them, you get all your pleats in place. Close to your navel, you come. And then just tuck the whole pleats inside. Done? This goes down. And this on your arms. And here you are. And this is how you want. You want to take this here? Take it.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Where do my pins go?
So one pin here. I don't like using too many pins. So one pin here and one on your shoulders.
Okay.
And that's it. And I just feel you should just take it like this.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful and nice.
This is the lesson to everybody out there who's just watching mom's videos. कि videos देख देख के कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Practice करना पड़ेगा.
प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा और प्रैक्टिस करते वक्त ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि मैं क्या बोलती हूँ.
I definitely need practice, but thank you for this. I'm ready to go.
गो वेयर. चलो चेंज
Now
करो,
that-
बहुत काम पड़ा है.